Hello and welcome back to another Python video. In this video we're going to be talking about method overriding in Python. So method overriding is basically just taking a method from the parent class but overriding it in the child class and making it do something more specific. And I'll show you with an example. So first we can start with a class and we can say class car, and inside the car class we can define a function called drive. And we want this to print this car is driving. And we can make another class, say for example call it Camaro, and for now let's just write pass, and we can make another class called Mustang, and for now we'll just pass. So let me pass in the car as the parameter of both of these classes, and this way the Camaro and the Mustang will both be the child classes of car. So this is the parent class and these two are the child classes. So let's make an object of each class. So Camaro equals Camaro, and then Mustang equals Mustang. So if we say Camaro dot drive, what would happen? What would happen is it would just print this. And same thing for Mustang. So this is normal inheritance. Now if you want method overriding to be implemented, you have to do two things. One is you have to add in the method, and two, you have to use the same name as the name in the parent class. So just like this, and with the same parameter as well. And now you can say this Camaro is fast, and then if you print it, it will print any method with the same name first, and if there is no method with the same name as the parent class, then it will just use this one. So if you see here, Mustang doesn't have a method called drive, so it just takes it from the parent class. But Camaro has a method called drive, so it doesn't need to go to the parent class, it just calls it from the child class. So that's basically it for method overriding in Python. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. As always, the full code will be posted in the comments down below.